YouTube, welcome to Grapes Academy. Today we will learn how to install Visual Studio in your laptop or PCs. So let's start with our HTML number tutorial number 2. So let's get started. So we search here download Visual Studio. Okay. So here the first link we click on it. Okay, there are three softwares are available. One is community, the second one is professional, third is enterprise. Community is for open source contributors, students, and professional is for small teams. Enterprise for the big teams like a big company. Okay, so we download community. Okay, here we click on free download. Here is the downloading and it's downloaded. So we go and click on it. Continue. Okay, this is of 70.87 MB and I think it takes 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I will stop the recording. Okay, so here the Visual Studio installer. Okay, so here they are asking what we do you want to install. Yes, we want to continue without workloads. We will download it. So it is of 199 MB. We have to wait for it. So now it is goes to 189 MB, 190, 191, 192. It's going on. Have to wait. Okay, it's 98%. It's downloaded and installing the packages. Okay, it's 100%. And I will launch it. Okay, sign in. Okay, I will back in 2 minutes. I will show how I will create the account and log in. So here we have our account and we close it and open get a code from a Lycorent hub, create a new project. So we will continue without okay. We have the extensions here and manage extensions. Okay, we will search it. It's loading. We will search here live server. Okay, live share. Will download. It's downloading. We will come back. It's downloaded with the downloads and in next video I will tell you how to make HTML programs. Okay, thank you.